guys, welcome back. So today I have my new Boxycharm unboxing. So if you would like to see what is in my box, then just keep watching. Alright, so the box looks like this. And here's the box. Let's see what's gonna be in here. So the first one looks like this. This is from Dr. Brent. I always say this wrong, but it is No More Baggage, so ID Puffer Gel. So let's put this on first. I don't know if you're supposed to like shake it. I'm not going to. Let's see. Come on. Oh, it's like orange. It is like orange. It's weird. I was not expecting it. So you guys can see that? I know you can see it. But yeah, it's like kind of like orangey-ish color. So I'm gonna put it here, I guess. Oh, it's like really orange. Depuffer. It's a depuffer. Depuffer. Doesn't have foundation in the box, so I'm just going to use this. This is from Lancome. I also do not have concealer, so I'm going to use this because I have not used it yet. I think I like swiped it, but I didn't like try it. This is the Born This Way foundation, or concealer, sorry, and this is the shade Vanilla, so I don't know if this is going to be too like light. I don't know, but I like things that are really light, so this is Vanilla. You guys use this one? I heard this one is like just as good or better as the Shape Tape, but I don't know because I haven't really used it, so I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, if I'm probably using way too much, but I want to go ham on makeup today because I don't really ever wear like really awesome makeup anymore. I'm just going to set it really quick with the RCMA Translucent. That was close. Also, there is no bronzer, so I'm going to use this. This is from MAC. This is the Refine Golden. This is one of my favorite bronzers. So I'm going to use this. This is the Morphe R14, one of my favorites for bronzer because it's like not too huge, but it's not like tiny either. It like fits into my contour right here. I love it. And then I'm gonna go with my Morphe E41 just to like give a little bit more of a bronzer for like everywhere and just kind of put it kind of like setting everything, but like with bronzer, so like everything is nice and like coated with everything, because I hate it when it's like just the contour here, but I want to like bronze everything. So that's kind of my little trick. Just kind of add a little bit of everything with like a big brush. And this is once again the Morphe E41, and just kind of get everything so it's all nice and bronzed. See that? Alright, next from the box, I'm going to take this. This is the Shella eyebrow cream. Interesting. What is this? What do I do with this? Oh. Okay, so you like pull it and it has like this, and then it has like the color down here. Weird. Okay, let's see how this, does it fit in there? Oh my gosh. This is difficult. Very difficult. A lot of courage, I say. Debussy Gryffindor! Does anyone know? Obviously know what that's from now. But it's actually not bad. Look at that. It's like so easy to do it. I think my mirror needs to be cleaned. I feel like I can't even see. I actually really like this. It's very easy to use. And like the color is awesome. Next from the box we have a Crown brush. This is Crown Pro, and it's an eyeshadow palette. Those are like really pretty colors. Woohoo! This color right here, let's see how these go, and I'm using the Morphe R39, and I'm going to put it into of my crease. I have no idea what I'm going to do yet, so we'll see how it goes. And then next I'm going to use this color right here. It's just right below, and it's just a little bit darker, and I'm going to do the exact same thing except putting it like a little bit lower. Right into my crease, a little bit lower. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to go into this color right here. It's a little bit darker, and I'm going to put it in my corners right here just to make it a little bit darker because I like it to be dark. Well, not always, just sometimes. This color right here, it looks beautiful, and I'm going to put it on just on my eye with my finger. I just feel like this would probably work best. And I'm just doing the exact same thing that I put on the bottom. So the same colors, everything like that. Something that's really nice is that it has a white shade, and it's like a little bit like shimmery. So I'm going to put that on my brow bone, which is a nice color too. So I really like this eyeshadow palette. I think it's really good. Next in the box, it has the Wander mascara. So let's see if it works. Oh, it's like bendy. Can you see it? Like bendy, bendy, bendy. I'm pretty picky with mascaras, so we'll see how it goes. Volume and curl is what it is, but I don't really see volume here. We're gonna let this dry and then we'll just peel it off. But the last thing in the box is this. This is Note bronzer, not bronzer, it's a blush. So it looks like this. It's like plasticky. Oh, it's a really cute color though. And once again, it's gonna totally match what's on my eyes. Awesome. And I'm just gonna use my Sigma F40 brush. And let's see, oh, powder, it's kind of powdery, but, oh, it has a smell. It kind of smells good. Oh, it matches perfectly. This is the Sigma F06 brush. And I'm just going to put this on my highlight right here. I'm not going to go too ham with it, but good enough amount. Alright guys, so everything in the box is on my face. So I think this box was really good. I was really happy with everything on it. So for the, that's not it. Thing with this box was amazing. So for the Dr. Brent was $42. The eyeshadow palette was $29. The mascara was $24. The blush is $11, and then the eyebrow was $26. So if you add it all up together, it's usually around $120, $130. So as we all always know, is that Boxycharm is definitely, you're not paying for $130 worth of products. So I will leave my link down below for you guys. You guys can see and use the coupon code and everything like that, because you definitely are not having to pay that much for the amazing box, especially because everything in the box is always full size. And yeah, I literally always love everything. The only things that I didn't really enjoy this time was the mascara. I just don't think it's really doing much for my face, especially because I have pretty long lashes anyways, so it's not really doing anything for me. But other than that, I think everything is really great. But yeah, thank you so thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.